What's going on, guys? God bless you. Carlos here with Serranos, a mobile detail in Dallas, Texas. Happy Friday, guys. I hope you guys are having a great day. No school for my daughter today, so she decided to come out and work with me. So we're going to be working on this Hyundai Sonata. Obviously, we're done with this vehicle, right? But enjoy the intro, how it looks, a little bit of our process today, and we'll bring you guys in for the final thoughts. Alright, so let's get started on this detail. Step one is obviously blowing all the interior, and then my daughter is vacuuming everything. So right now what I'm doing is starting to clean and brushing all the components, cup holders and all of that, steam cleaning as well. That's pretty much what's included in my interior detail package, which is a full vacuum, extraction on the seats and the carpet, steam cleaning all the interior as well to remove all the grime and makeup and everything. This one just hasn't been cleaned in a while, so there was a lot of buildup from like the cup holders. There was like candy from the kids, but overall really the vehicle was not in bad shape. So next thing you'll see my daughter here doing is doing the pre-spray while I am still cleaning everything on the on that side. So she's doing the pre-spray. On the pre-spray we're using Flex Citrus, and we have Flex Ice in the extractor. So it's very crucial to do the pre-spray when you're working on a very heavily soiled interior. That pre-spray is gonna work miracles for you. It's doing the work for you. So as the pre-spray is sitting on the fibers, right, it's starting to already clean. So it's really important to have a good pre-spray when it comes to some bad interiors. The pre-spray is truly a lifesaver in making your job much quicker in the agitation process as well. Followed by using PNS interior cleaner. It smells really good, and I have really enjoyed using this product, to be honest. But it doesn't clean like heavy soiled plastics, which that's okay. You know, that's truly why I wanted to really test this product in some bad interiors. And this is one of those where there was a lot of grime on the plastics, on the armrest. So this was a really good test for the PNS interior cleaner. Overall, I'm satisfied with the product, but today it didn't do really good on some bad plastics and like this material where the armrests are, which was kind of like leathery, but it just didn't do good. So we had to resort to plan B. Alright guys, so real quickly as we continue to clean this vehicle, pretty much my daughter cleaned this area here, this area right here, and we were using obviously PNS is a great cleaner overall, but Serrano sauce had to come back in action. I'm gonna show you guys really quick, guys, what I ended up doing. Obviously my daughter cleaned it already. And to be honest, anybody who cleans this is some detailer will leave it as is. And let me kind of zoom in really quick, and there you go. So you see there's still a lot of grime on there, even with a brush, guys. That is very hard to come out. So I'm gonna show you really quick how I tackle this. Alright, so for this process, guys, obviously Serrano sauce is going to be the winner. You're going to need probably the steamer to warm it up, and you're going to need a drill brush with the toilet brush attachment. What you're going to do, guys, is you're going to spray your product on there, and I usually spray some on the brush too. Next, since it hasn't been clean in a while, I'll steam it And on a low setting, guys, you are going to start agitating. And just let the brush do the work, guys, literally. Let the brush do the work. You can do like back and forth action around these little edges, right? And bam. Then what I'll do, usually, I'll spray it again, really quick. I'll grab my Vortex air tool. And this tool right here is really what does the work, because as it's spinning, it's getting all in these grooves. And just like that, guys, we are back, and we have removed literally this whole grime that was on this door panel. Now, I love it. Finally done with this vehicle. Overall, guys, it definitely looks a whole lot better. We definitely we nailed everything that we were trying to do. All right, so it's still in the drying process, but really quickly to end this video, I don't want to make this video very long. Today, obviously, this one took us about 2 hours and a half, but as we said, today we had a resort. I was using, obviously, I really wanted to test out the PNS interior cleaner on a hammered vehicle like the one we, obviously, like this one. Unfortunately, we didn't get all the grime with just the interior cleaner, right? We ended up resorting to the Serrano sauce. As you guys know, that's super clean with Dawn dish soap. And really, that's gonna give me the cutting power that I wanted for the where they put their hands. But overall, guys, usually tips and tricks when you finish the vehicle, guys, really quickly turn the car on, put the heater on full blast, close the doors, and that's gonna help you start drying the upholstery. As you guys see, this vehicle, if she was to drive it right now, it's pretty much dry. So that's always the game plan. This one here, I think last week I showcased a video where I went to my daughter's school for career day. And let me tell you guys, the feedback I got from that, guys, was crazy. So I ended up creating a teacher only packages just for that school. And this one is one of them, guys, and I'm really excited, obviously, for the opportunity. I'm very grateful for all the teachers that teach at my daughter's school. I love their school, and I mean, I'm grateful for the opportunity anyway. So huge discount on these cars, but that's truly, you know, they do a lot for our kids, right? And sometimes it doesn't hurt to take a loss on quality or on the amount of money, right? Because they do a lot for our kids. But anyways, guys, we are done. I'm gonna go deliver it, and we're getting out of here. And you want to get some ice cream? Yeah. All right, we're gonna get her some ice cream. She did really good, guys. God bless y'all, and I'll see you guys on the next video.